So one of the things that you can do in SketchUp is go ahead and mix up different styles together as well. So to go ahead and do that, I'm going to go around and let's say, for example, drag out these shapes right here, just like this. So you can see that these are being drawn in a certain style right here, just like this. So I can go ahead right here and let's say, for example, go around over here onto Paint Bucket and then go ahead and add in bricks right here, just like this. So you can see that the shade and everything like style is added in right here. If I want to go ahead and change around the style, then I can go around over here onto Window, then go to Default Tree, then go to Style right here. Let me just go ahead and close this out right here. So here you can see that I can go ahead and select out different styles as needed right here, just like this. And now what I can actually do is, let's say, for example, mix out multiple styles as well. So to go ahead and do that, I can go around over here onto Mix. And here you can see that I can go ahead and mix out as, face, background setting, watermark, and modeling settings right here. Let's say, for example, if I were to go ahead right here onto sketchy edges, I can go around and drag the edges onto edge settings. Then it'll take the edge style from this particular style right here and apply it out right here, just like this. Similarly, over here for the face setting, let's just go for let's say, for example, assorted styles. I'm going to go ahead and drag it over here onto the face settings right here. And then you can see that the face settings is applied out. Similarly, for the background settings right here, let me just go to default style and drag this to the background setting. And then that style will be applied out for the background setting right here, just like this, as you can see right here. I can go ahead and click and drag and you can see the change right here, just like this. Same goes for the modeling and watermark setting as well. So you can't see much change right here, but as I were to move on this, you can see that the edges disappear and then those particular settings from those styles right here are mixed out. And that is how you can go ahead and mix up multiple styles inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.